Hello YouTube, how's it going? Hope you're having a blessed day. My name is Devontae. In today's video I want to talk about income producing activities and ways of starting out of getting traffic when you don't necessarily have the money or the time. Well, if you don't have the money for traffic at the moment, I still want to show you guys ways of getting income producing activities and not wasting your time. One of the platforms that I like to use for free advertising is called IBO Toolbox. Definitely works. Definitely works because you're able to place your own banners. And what's really crazy about me making this video right now is this guy. He has a lead lighting banner. This is the official lead lighting banner. I can go right here and show you guys and go to banners. I've made videos about this in the past, but yeah, I'm in the lead lightning system, and if you go back to this ad, he's doing the same thing that I should be doing, that we all should be doing. You should be doing some advertising. All right, and I can click on his banner, and this is it's just going to be his capture page, and this is what you're going to be able to do within lead lightning. You don't have to with lead lightning, you get a generic capture page. This one right here. You get this one and you get this one right here. I mean, these aren't bad capture pages. These will get the job done, but you do want to have the ability to create your own capture page, own unique capture page, like this guy right here. You know, it'd be more attention grabbing. All right. So this is a perfect example of what your sales funnel can look like. But I want to post this press release because you get credits for doing things like press releases and being active on the site. You can use these credits to fund your advertising account. So I'm going to post this real quick, publish this press release real quick. All right, and continue. All right, and I just got added some credits. And other ways to get credits are they offer free credits. You can have to go back to your email, and there's like a redeem code. Oh, it's right here. So just copy this code right here, and you get 100 credits each day. So I'm going to go to my advertising, and in your case, you would create a new advertisement. You have to convert your credits to impressions, and the impressions goes towards your banners. So convert credits. All right, and what you want to do, select the number of credits, so 100. I'm going to convert that. I'm going to do that again, actually, since I have 200 credits. I'm going to do that one more time. All right, let's proceed to the ads. Back to the ads. All right, so now I have some impressions. So now I can turn on my banners now. So I'm going to turn on this one, and I can even preview this banner. This is what my banner will look like, and I even got an extra star because before I had 1 star. But the more stars you get, that means the more active you are on the platform, and the more active you are on the platform, the more you can be able to be on the front page of the platform. But yeah, you see I'm getting views and clicks. This is what I call income producing activities. Aren't what you may think it is. Like some people would say, people going on Facebook and talking to people in Messenger, that's wasting time, and going to the chat. That's not income producing activities. That's actually distractions. And a lot of time is money, and you don't want to waste time, so you want to just do things that can contribute to your business and not decrease for your business. And IBO Toolbox is a great platform. All right, so now what I want to do, I want to share my latest videos to the IBO Toolbox platform. I haven't logged in quite some time, and this is what I mean by featured member of the day. If you get more active and you get all your stars up, you can have the ability to be a featured member on the platform, and you'll be on every page, which is very good for your business. But like this guy right here, You have his Twitter page, LinkedIn account. You can see what business he's into and talk to him if you wanted to. So that's one of the features of being active on RBO Toolbox. So I want to share some of my recent videos on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to copy this link right here. I'm going to go to edit profile. I'm going to add the link and the title. All right, let's copy this. Place that right there. We could add some keywords. I'm going to do power lead system. Power lead system. Last year. Now I'm not going to do that for the sake of the video, for the sake of time. I'm going to just save it. There you have it. I'm going to go to the dashboard just to make sure that it was posted. See if I can see my own post. There you go, right here. I just posted a video. And yeah, this is how you would share your own videos, promote yourself, brand yourself on this platform. And this is just one source that I always use. Great source. You can even go to FutureNet and do the same thing. Go to FutureNet and well, you can't actually advertise on FutureNet, but you, like placing your banners, but you can share your videos, like you see right here. Share your videos, do everything like that. Future Ad Pro, let me refresh this page. I'm still letting all my money accumulate. I do want to buy an ad pack though. I really do want to buy an ad pack so I can get some advertising to my business. But yeah, this video is all about income producing activities. Don't get distracted, guys. Stay focused, stay ahead. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.